Welcome to this review, guys. On my left hand side I have the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and on the right hand side I have the latest Google Pixel 7a, guys. If you didn't really watch my unboxing, first impression and specs, please do so. The Pixel 7a is pretty much the same device as the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro 7 lineup, but there is one very big noticeable difference, and that's the camera, guys. The Pixel 6 and the Pixel 7 have been using the Samsung ISOCELL GN1 sensor from 2018, and the Pixel 7a brings back a Sony IMX787 sensor, 64 megapixel for the one bending to 16. And in this video we are going to check the video quality, guys. So front camera, UHD 4K 60 on the left on the S23 Ultra, and 4K 30 FPS on the right on the Pixel, guys. Check the details, let me know what you think. I'm going to do indoors video, which is very hard, it's probably even as hard as doing night video. Then also, of course, bright outdoor video. So this here is the front camera, guys. Let me know which footage is better, and if you like videos like this, guys, you might as well want to support the channel. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, guys, and I'm gonna jump to the back cameras, the more interesting story. I am starting with the ultra-wide, so 4K 60 footage again on the S23 Ultra and 4K 30 FPS on the Pixel, guys. So the Pixel can only do 4K 30 on the ultra-wide and also 4K 30 on the front camera, but everything else should be 4K 60. Now, pay attention to the tiles, guys. If you have been watching my channel, you know that I like shooting here a lot, because there is a lot of lighting and there are a lot of shapes and forms that can help us understand how phones process details, texture. We can also see the noise they're on, again, the whole processing. So it's a very nice scene, guys, and I do love to shoot here to be able also to compare with some of the other phones that I've been using, like the Oppo Find X6, Pro, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. Anyway, focus now on this video, guys. I'm gonna do a slow run so that we're able to test the stabilization. Ultra wide on the Pixel 7a and on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Some nice colors to check out the rendition. And we are now shooting 4K 60 on both phones. This is now the 1X main camera. One more test for the stabilization. Okay. 4K 60 FPS on the Pixel 7a and 4K 60 FPS on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Check out the colors, check out the details. I'm gonna show you a bit more. Alright. By the way, which is also funny, I can initiate directly 2x here crop on the camera on the Pixel. Alright, see, 1x, 2x, and shooting 4K 60 FPS doesn't allow me to do so on the Samsung Galaxy Ultra. Well, one of the reasons might be that the Pixel doesn't have any optical zoom, guys. So now let's choose 2x also on the Samsung, on both cameras. Alright, should be pretty much a crop on both of those cameras, because we know that the Samsung starts zooming in optically from 3x. So right now this should be a crop used from both main sensors. Alright, appreciate the details, guys, and let me know which footage is better. I'm gonna do a slow pan so that you are able to focus on the details. Here, some signs, some text. This is the Pixel 7a and the Galaxy S23 Ultra. And I'm now shooting the max, which is 5x on the Pixel 7a, so I also turned to 5x on my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, guys. Alright, it's gonna be shaky, of course. Pay attention here to the signs. I'm gonna show you some signs. Check the color rendition. Check also the shape of the forms. Check for noise, for texture, and for details. And of course, let me know down below in the comments which footage you think handled it better. Alright, I'm gonna do a pan right now so that you are appreciating if there is jitter or not. And I'm gonna show you some far objects to be able to check on that beautiful or not zoom. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, guys, and I'm going to initiate the outdoor testing. And we're now shooting outdoors, guys, again 4K 60 FPS on the S23 Ultra and 4K 30 FPS on the Pixel 6a. Now I'm going to do a slow turn to let the sun shine directly in the camera, alright? See what is gonna happen. And in the meantime, guys, please appreciate everything that you see on the screen. See this one, for example, alright? The colors, the trees. Let me know which one do you think is a bit more realistic, right? I'm wearing colorful clothes to help also this comparison. Now I'm going to start walking slowly, right, and let full sun shine here in my face. Alright, by the way, I'm not able to see the viewfinder exactly very correct on the Samsung. I'm not sure why, probably because of the glasses. Can I just go now in the shadows, guys, to appreciate the HDR. Now, from what I see on the viewfinder, it seems that the Pixel 7a is doing a better job, but I need to check the full footage. Let me know what you think. Check here the sky that is above this building here. Alright, enough of this. Let me do a slow run with both of those cameras. Okay. This now is 4K 30 Ultrawide on the Pixel and 4K 60 on the S23 Ultra. Okay, let me know what you think. I'm also gonna do a slow run. By far, I don't believe there is a phone that can even get close to the stabilization that we have on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which is really somehow crazy. Alright, some ducks running here. And now let's jump to the main sensor. Alright guys, we're now shooting 4K 60 on both phones, main camera. Let me just check how close I can get with the Pixel, and now I get a message, move back to improve focus. Alright, let's just see how close can we get with the S23 Ultra, and I have a feeling that this is actually going to pierce through my lens, guys. So this is somehow what you are able to get. Guys, we have beautiful scenery here, beautiful day. We have red colors, green colors, blue colors, guys. We have also brown colors, white colors, so what else is needed for a very nice video comparison, guys? Appreciate the landscape here. It really looks like a Windows XP wallpaper. But forget about this, guys. Check all the colors. Let me know which video footage is better, okay? I'm just going to run towards the street right now to be able to test the stabilization. Again, nothing really comes close to the king of video stabilization, that is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra using the twice wider OIS. Alright, some beautiful footage. One more time. Okay. And see here, guys. Amazing. I really like these colors. Now, let me shoot against the sun, which is, I mean, you know, that's one of the rules in the photography, never do this. But still, so that we are able to check the result. And now, guys, I'm going to jump to the zoom. Shooting 2x on both phones, it's a crop on both phones, guys. The Pixel 7a, being a mid-range, doesn't really have any optical zoom. It uses a crop from the main sensor, and you can go up to 5x. This is now the 2x footage. Let me know what you think down below, guys, in the comments, and I'm going to slowly walk towards these three. Do you think that one of the videos is sharper than the other when using a crop? Okay. Crop is actually good because we are able to test the processing of this new sensor here, the 787IMX Sony in the Pixel 7a, right? And we all know that the Galaxy S23 Ultra will go to optical if pushed on 3x. So now I'm going to go in 5x. Alright guys, this is 5x now on both phones. Okay, there is a tree and also this lamp here. And I'm now going to do a very slow pan, guys, for you to be able to estimate if there is any jitter in the footage. Alright. Yeah, I'm just going to try to focus now on a subject like this nice woman far away, so that we are able to compare which comes better or worse. Alright. This was it, guys, the video comparison, Pixel 7a versus the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let me know down below in the comments, guys, which of those phones did a better job. And if you like content like this, why not sub? Thank you so much, VST over and bye.